Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about live streaming. Now, the most common question in our support desk is, can we live stream to Roku or can we use TV Boss Fire to live stream to Amazon Fire? Well, the answer is yes. From a technical point of view, Roku allows and makes possible live streaming since the beginning of Roku. And of course, TV Boss Fire is adapted to the latest Roku technical requirements, you see. So yes, you can live stream using TV Boss Fire or through TV Boss Fire to be precise. In this channel, I will show you how to set up a live streaming feed for your Roku channel. To live stream, you need to have exactly the same data you need for any normal video that you want to add to your channel. A URL, a thumbnail image, title, description, bitrate, and duration. But, and there's a big but, because of how Roku updates the TV feeds and the TV channels, there are some adaptations that you need to make. Remember that Roku auto-update every TV feed about 4 times a day and during weekends, sometimes only once or once every other day, and the channel publishing and approval process can take somewhere from 2 to 4 days, so we need to adapt. First, you need to have a 24/7 or evergreen live feed. That means that you need to have content in your feed at all times. You can have ads, pre-recorded content, or your live streaming schedule, for example, running on loop. Basically, anything that could benefit you and will keep your feed live. Now, second, because of how live feeds are, from a technical point of view, your bitrate can vary from frame to frame. So should you use it in your setup, the minimal bitrate of your stream will require. You also need to know what type of stream you have. At this point, Roku allows 3 types of streams: HLS, Smooth, and the Dash. Finally, you'll need a duration. The live feed needs to be 24/7, so what duration should you use in this case? We can take advantage of a factory setting Roku has built in every Roku device, the 4-hour disconnect setting. Basically, if a device runs for 4 hours continuously without any user interrupt, Roku will prompt a notification asking you to take action or the device will stop. If we use a duration as 4 hours, the live stream will work properly without any interruption for as much as 4 hours. So if you use a shorter duration, at the end of the time you set up, the video will stop and the user or the viewer will need to click continue. When you have all the required elements, it's a very easy setup. Like I said, just set it up like you do with any normal video. Add a video ID, add the title, add a description, upload a thumbnail image, set up a tag, select the genre, and in the content field, add your stream URL. Select the quality, in our case it's HD. Select the video type, in our case it's HLS. As bitrate, I used 1500. For the duration, I used 14,400, and that is 4 hours. Click save, and that's it. Basically, your live stream is on Roku, and it's live and ready. Now, let's see how it looks on our Watch channel page. As you can see, this is a normal video, and this is our live stream. But you notice that live sticker near the top video title. This way, your users will know that you have a live stream set up. And because it's always best to test, let's go see if it's working. As you can see, it's working. We can see the content streaming. So, guys, it's this easy. I hope it wasn't too complicated. See you in the next video.